Hey y'all, it's me, Miss Faulkner, and we have Chazzle Dazzle Doo and Baby Huey. Man, they were out there, they were wrestling, they were having a good time. Look how cute they are. Hope you guys had a great break. I missed y'all. Did y'all miss us? Oh, I know you did. I know you did. I know y'all missed us. You had to have missed us. How could you not miss us? Oh my gosh. Well, we missed y'all. And we are ready to get started. Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about ratios and proportions. But before we get started, we have to actually define what is a ratio. A ratio is a comparison of two things. It's a comparison of two things or two numbers. So we're going to write a comparison of two numbers. I love this handwriting. It's just so nice. Comparison of two numbers. Whoa, that's the number sign. So I'll write it out. Comparison of two numbers. Okay, so right here it says write the ratio of boys to girls in 3 ways. Okay, the most important thing is you're writing boys to girls. So the number of boys has to come first. So let's see how many boys we have. We've got a boy here, and we got a boy here. Okay, now let's see how many girls we have. We've got a little girl right there, a little girl right there, and a little girl right there. So we have 2 boys, and 3 girls. So you can write a ratio 3 different ways. The first way we're going to do is we're going to write 2, and then we're going to put a colon. How many girls are there? 3. So that means there's 2 boys to every 3 girls. All right, another way, you can write it as a fraction, 2 over 3. There's 2 boys to 3 girls. And the last way, you can write 2, number 2. Then you're going to write the word 2, 3. So those are your 3 ways you can write it. You can write it using a colon like we did here. You can write it using a fraction, and then write it with the word 2. Oh my gosh, did you guys love that or what? Okay, so right here it says write the ratio of footballs to basketballs in 3 ways. So again, one of the most important parts is you have to make sure the number of footballs comes first. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to write 6, colon, to how many basketballs? Let's see how many basketballs we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can write 6 to 4, or you can write 6 to 4. Now, what do you notice about this fraction right here? What do you notice? Well, you notice you could reduce it. If you divided both by 2, you would have 3 to 2. And you can write it that way as well. Oh my gosh, was that fun or what? Hi. Oh, look, the football's his mouth. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to talk about what a proportion is. A proportion is a comparison of 2 ratios. Whoa. A comparison of 2 ratios. Okay, so a ratio is a comparison of 2 numbers, but now a proportion is a comparison, a comparison of 2 ratios. A comparison of 2 ratios. Okay, now how do we solve these? Well, what we're going to do to solve these is we're going to cross multiply. Now, when I say cross multiply, look. Okay, hold on. Are y'all watching? Okay, we're going to go across the equal sign. We're going to go across the equal sign. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this x by the 2, and when we do that, multiply that, we get 2x equals, now we multiply across this way, 24. Oh my goodness gracious. Look how brilliantly smart we are. We now have a what? A one-step equation. We're going to divide both sides by 2, divide both sides by 2, and you get x equals 12. Ta-da! Okay, so let's go ahead and do this next one. We're going to use our same strategy. We're going to multiply across, so we get 44 equals 6x. Okay, now we have a one-step equation. Okay, now we're going to divide both sides by 6, divide both sides by 6, And when we do that, we get 7.3 repeating equals x. Oh my goodness, is this awesome or what? Are you guys having fun? Okay, I'm going to do a couple with you, and then you're going to do a couple on your own. So number 1, we're going to cross multiply. So you multiply that, you get 5x equals, cross multiply, 28. Now we have what? We have a one-step equation. So we're going to divide both sides by, you got it, divide both sides by 5, divide both sides by 5, and you get x equals 5.6. This isn't too bad, is it? It's not too bad. All right, number 2, cross multiply. 4 times x, you get 4x equals, then what do? We multiply what? We multiply 12 by 13, and you get 156. Now we have a one-step equation. Going to divide both sides by 4, and you get x equals 39. Oh my goodness. Okay, now what you guys are going to do is you're going to do number 3 and number 4 on your own. Then when you're finished, what you're going to do is you are going to, where's my little hand? Now raise your hand so you can get a check and some love. And then you're going to pause and you're going to do a different worksheet, so don't go to the back yet.